Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to save a snippet in Chrome. Developer Tools. Open Google Chrome and press Ctrl+Shift+I if you are on Windows or Command+Option and I on Mac. To open Developer Tools, go to the Sources tab and click on Snippets. If you don't see Snippets, click the arrow and look for the Snippet section. It is usually around there. To add a new snippet, click on New Snippet and rename it however you want. Now enter your JavaScript code. In my case, it's just a simple hello world. Press Ctrl+Enter on your keyboard. Then exit the Developer Tools. You can run the snippet anytime. Right-click it and select Run. This makes it easy to test or reuse scripts in Chrome. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to check out the next DelftStack tutorial videos.